Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, today I am installing or making and installing a bracket. It's gonna go from here up to here, well, up here, for my KWT Pre Filter, and it's gonna just support it a lot stronger. Right now you drive and it kind of wobbles a little bit, so I just want to get it more stabilized. Okay, I went ahead and cut some material using 1 inch by 1/4 inch flat stock aluminum. I'll go ahead and come over here and I'll mark where we're going to put where we're going to drill the hole. And I'll go ahead and I'll scribe some lines. I'll go over to the mill and drill a hole in it real fast. All right, got the drill done. Let's go ahead and deburr it. All right, next we're going to go over to the Diacro bender. This is a number 2 bender. Okay, so what I've done is I've only bent it. I didn't bend it square because I'm going to be offset a little bit. And I'll go mark the other bend and get back on that. And approximate amount. I think that's about it. And let's go check it out and see if it works. So put that in. Should be up a little further. There we go. Right there. Okay. So it's flat, and that's flat. Okay, so I've got the bracket on there, although it's pretty close to that hole, so I'm going to have to figure out whether, well, that doesn't seem the right length either. Oh, I just got to bend that out a little, no problem. Okay, so it looks good from there, although I don't think I have enough clearance for the bolts, so I might have to mill out a little bit of here on here. Alright, so I went ahead and milled out a little bit. See about what it looks like. Yeah, it'll be about right. Alright, so the last hole I drilled is, I'm going to have to slot it, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little slot to it. there. We've got our bends. Got a hole on that end. Put a slot on this end, and we put a relief in there for the other bolt. Go ahead and paint her up and install it. Alright, so I got it on there, and this is what it looks like. All painted and pretty solid. So I don't think it's going to go nowhere. Hey, if this gave you a good idea for your side-by-side, or helped you in any way, go ahead and give me a like. Thanks. Have a good one.